is your File Explorer keeps opening a new window for every folder you access? Then you can use these tips that we have for you in this video. Now to get File Explorer tabs on your computer, you must run the Windows 11 22H2 version. And in order for you to update, go to Settings, select Windows Update, and then click the Download Install option if Windows informs you that the version 22H2 is available, but you're already running the latest version if you see the No Updates Available message. Next, tabs might be missing from the Windows File Explorer due to a temporary glitch. If there are other File Explorer features that are acting up, you should also restart it. So do it by opening Task Manager, go to Processes tab, right-click on Windows Explorer, then select End Task to stop any related processes from running in the background. Then close Task Manager, launch File Explorer, and check if the problem is now solved. Last on the list, remove File Explorer cache. To do it, launch File Explorer, then from the top right corner, click the three dots icon, select Options, then open the General tab, click the Clear option, and once done, click Apply and select OK. And that's how to fix missing tabs in Windows 11 File Explorer in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.